Medibank shareholders who overwhelmingly voted through their executives' remuneration packages. All the directors that were up for election held their places, again overwhelmingly, which appears to downplay significantly the company that's responsible for the worst hacking scandal in Australian history. 9.7 million customer records gone. The most sensitive information, which, if released, could cause further extortion, severe embarrassment or cultural harm. But in a legal system that is clearly outdated, Medibank is likely to sail through this scot-free. Edward Boyd starts our coverage.
After 3 weeks of harrowing scandal and the worst data breach in Australian history, Medibank management and directors fronted shareholders to explain what went wrong. Why hackers were able to steal the personal, most intimate data of 9.7 million customers.
What has happened is deeply distressing. The weaponising of the private data of many Australians, our customers, is malicious. We are steadfast in our resolve to not reward this criminal behaviour.
Almost 20 shareholders asked questions at the annual meeting. Most were upset with what they saw as the company's lax approach to cybersecurity.
I am a shareholder and I'm rather disappointed that Medibank did not take security as serious as it should.
The security questions asked by Medibank staff for customer identity verification are the very information that was hacked and leaked. Will Medibank be reviewing the identity verification process?
My question is a simple one. I'd like to know, is there any member of the Board of Directors who has extensive information technology experience or expertise?
Yet strange though it may seem, Medibank directors seem to have come out of it all relatively unscathed. Shareholders voted overwhelmingly in favour of the company's remuneration report and the granting of fresh performance rights to the Chief Executive, David Koczkar. Medibank said it has appointed Deloitte to conduct an external review into the cyber attack and will release the results in coming months.
It will look to how this event occurred. It will look to what the ramifications of the event may have been, what consequences may flow, and how we may actually learn from the event to better protect our customers and our organisation into the future.
Medibank shares have plunged about 19% since the cyber attack, and you can clearly see the day that it was disclosed to the market on this chart. Medibank's market cap dropped from being worth about $9.6 billion on October 19 to about $7.9 billion this week. That's a loss of $1.7 billion. Australia's largest private health insurer says it's already spent between $25 million to $35 million responding to the attack, which includes hiring an extra 300 people at its customer call centre. But the true cost of the disaster is likely to be much higher when you include potential customer remediation and regulatory or litigation costs.